Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to embed or link your Word document on your Excel. So if you have like a receipt in your Word file and you want to embed it to your data in your Excel, you can do that, which is very simple. So first off, you're going to create a Word file. If you already have your Word file, you can just skip the step. I'm just going to create a normal file. Just going to name it test file, save, browse, desktop, test, save, done. Okay, so now I have my file that I want to embed on the Excel worksheet. So now you're going to open your Excel worksheet right here. Just going to create a blank one, then you can build see the reference. So see the reference, and the reference will be the Word file right under here. So what you're going to do is you're going to insert right here, insert, and you're going to see here something that says object. Click on that, and here you're going to go into the create from file tab, and now browse to the place where you've saved your Word file. So I'm going to go into my desktop, and that's my Word file. Click on insert, and yeah, so you can click, you can make sure it is a link to the file, or you can display it as an icon. So I'm just going to make it an icon. You can even change the icon to your preferred icon. So I'm just going to leave it as default and create OK. And now I have a embedded Word file on my Excel worksheet, which is very cool. So that's how to do that, guys. And if this video helped you, do leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. That's all for me. Thanks for watching, folks.